Welcome back, everyone. We want you to take a look at a poll Fox 13 put on Facebook. We have a big community on our Facebook page, but this poll asking, do you wear a mask when you're around other people in public, is breaking records. More than 6,000 votes in less than 2 hours. You can see the results there. 54% say yes, 46% say no. Now, this is an unscientific poll. However, it is you, our viewers' answers. In a more traditional poll, the Gallup organization found 75% of Americans say they are wearing a mask.
But they did not break the result down along political lines. Fox 13's Max Roth joins us now with more on that. Max?
Yeah, you know, and before getting into this, by the way, I was looking at those poll numbers over the course of those couple of hours, and when there were 3,000 votes, the result was 54-46. It seems like we're kind of zeroing in on an equilibrium with that poll, 6,000 votes. Well, we wanted to know what is behind the decision about wearing one of these things, feeling that there are a lot of emotions under the surface. So before that poll, we put another question on the Fox 13 News Facebook page. We asked, do you think some people are refusing to wear a mask in public places as a political statement? Wow, did the answers come in fast.
After 30 minutes, 342 comments. After an hour, 601. One message against: I will not be masked, tested, tracked, chipped, or poisoned to support this orchestrated lie. A reply for: insisting on your rights without acknowledging your responsibilities isn't freedom, it's adolescence. An argument against: I choose to have a choice. If you don't want to get sick, then stay home. I, however, am not afraid of being sick, so I will continue to live free. One reply for: it's not just about you, though. And another: you may not be afraid, but how about you bring the virus into family? Such a macho comment. Seems more men flex their muscles on this, including my careless son. Utah State epidemiologist Angela Dunn addressed the question today.
It's really about keeping others safe. There is evidence out there of pre-symptomatic or asymptomatic spreading of COVID-19. So face coverings will certainly help prevent that asymptomatic spreading of COVID-19.
The Gallup organization has tracked how much Americans are following certain recommendations, and there is a clear political split, at least on social gathering. At the end of April, 86% of Democrats were avoiding small group gatherings, while 60% of Republicans were doing the same.
It's an interesting question. I'd like to know from Gallup, because they didn't clarify whether there was that kind of split on mask wearing. But two clear takeaways from that conversation on our Facebook page. Most of those who wear the mask say it's about responsibility towards other people. Most of those who don't wear the mask say it's about individual freedom. Though some of the people who are not wearing masks say that the masks are harmful to their own physical or their mental health. Well, this conversation about whether to wear a face covering has clearly become about more than the droplets that we breathe out and in. Live in the newsroom, Max Roth, Fox 13 News, Utah.